Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable Professor Dr. Saparudin Muhtar, SE MSI, as the first thesis advisor. The Honorable Dr. Karunyana Dianta Arfiando Sebayang, SIPME, as the second thesis advisor. The Honorable Professor Dr. Sri Indah Nikensari, SE MSA, as the chairperson of the examination committee. And the Honorable Mrs. Pujiuniarti, SEMM, as the first examiner. My name is Isnaininan Permadani with student ID 17016200027, a student of the Bachelor of Economics Education Study Program, Faculty of Economics and Business, State University of Jakarta, class of 2020. On this occasion, I would like to present my thesis entitled The Influence of MSME Product Quality, Price and Service Quality on Purchasing Decision on Social Commerce Application. Chapter 1, Introduction. Research Background. The advancement of information and communication technology in today's global era has been rapidly increasing. One of its main aspects is the development of the Internet. In 2024, the number of Internet users in Indonesia reached 221 million users. The advancement of Internet technology has brought the economy into a global era known as the digital economy, one of which is through the use of e-commerce platform. According to a report titled E-commerce in Southeast Asia 2023, Indonesia contribute 52% of total Southeast Asia GMV in 2022. The six main markets contributing the majority of Indonesians GMV are Shopee, Tokopedia, Lazada, Bukalapak, TikTok Shop, and Blibli.com. Besides e-commerce, social commerce platforms are also currently popular in Indonesia. Social commerce is a platform that integrates social media with e-commerce. According to a report titled The Social Commerce Landscape in Indonesia 2022, TikTok Shop is the most widely used social commerce platform in Indonesia with a percentage of 46%. TikTok Shop offers many attractive features that are popular with the public, but this platform considered to have violated the Minister of Trade Regulation number 31 of 2023 concerning business licensing, advertising, guidance, and supervision of business actors in electronic trade. This violation occurred because TikTok Shop only had a permit as a social media platform and had not yet obtained a permit as an e-commerce to carry out product transaction activities. So, TikTok Shop was forced to cease operation in Indonesia on October 4, 2023. Although it was temporarily stopped, TikTok Shop has now resumed operation in Indonesia on December 12, 2023 by establishing a strategic partnership with PT Tokopedia. Based on aggregate data from MSME participants in TikTok Shop and Tokopedia by local campaign in December 2023, it was recorded that sales of local MSME product grew by 125% compared to September 2023. In February 2024, the number of monthly active TikTok users in Indonesia was known to reach 125 million users. In 2021, the highest number of TikTok users in Indonesia was known to be in the Jakarta area. And in 2023, it was known that the highest number of TikTok users worldwide was aged 18 to 24 or belonged to the Generation Z group. With the advancement of internet technology, Generation Z has great potential in the consumer industry, which also influence their shopping patterns to be more consumptive. In this case, consumption is not only to meet needs, but it also often driven by a desire to follow trends or aim to gain social recognition through a modern lifestyle. However, each individual certainly has variation in the factor that can influence their purchasing decision. Therefore, I am interested in analyzing further regarding purchasing decision on social commerce application through research entitled The Influence of MSME Product Quality, Price, and Service Quality Purchasing Decision on Social Commerce Application. Research question. Based on the research background, the research questions are formulated as follows. First, is there an influence of MSME product quality on purchasing decision on social commerce application? Second, is there an influence of price on purchasing decision on social commerce application? Third, is there an influence of service quality on purchasing decision on social commerce application? And fourth, is there an influence of MSME product quality, price, and service quality on purchasing decision on social commerce application? Next, research purpose. Based on the research question, The research purpose to be achieved in this research are: first, to determine and analyze the influence of MSME product quality on purchasing decision on social commerce application. Second, to determine and analyze the influence of price on purchasing decision on social commerce application. Third, to determine and analyze the influence of service quality on purchasing decision on social commerce application. And fourth, to determine and analyze the combined influence of MSME product quality, price, and service quality on purchasing decision on social commerce application. Next, research benefits. Based on research purpose, it is expected that this research can provide the following benefits. First, theoretical benefits. Contributing to the body of literature and serving as a reference source related to the theories of product quality, price, service quality, and purchasing decision, especially on social commerce application. Second, practical benefits. Serving as a recommendation and consideration in understanding consumer preference, needs, and behaviors toward purchasing decision on social commerce application. Second, adding new knowledge insight to identify new opportunities and plan marketing strategies in line with current shopping trends. Third, increases public loyalty to online shopping innovation through a social commerce application. Chapter 2, Literature Review. Supporting theories. Firstly, grand theory. The grand theory used in this research is the marketing management theory by Kotler and Keller in 2016. Marketing management is the art and science of selecting, acquiring, retaining, and developing target markets through creating, communicating, and delivering superior customer value. Next, middle theory. The middle theory used in this research is the consumer behavior theory by Kotler and Keller in 2016. Consumer behavior is the study how individuals, groups, and organizations select, buy, use, evaluate, and dispose of products and services to satisfy their needs and wants. Then, applied theory. The applied theory as variable Y used in this research is the purchasing decision theory by Kotler and Keller in 2016. Purchasing decision is a process of approaching a consumer's problem-solving approach by evaluating all experience in learning, choosing, using, and disposing of a product according to their needs and desires. There are 6 indicators to measure purchasing decision in Prihartono's 2021 research, namely product choice, brand choice, distributor choice, product purchase time, quantity of purchase decision, and payment methods. Next, Theory of MSME Product Quality as Variable X1 by Kotler and Armstrong in 2018. Product quality is a characteristic of a product that evaluates its ability to meet stated or implied customer needs. There are 8 indicators to measure the quality of MSME products in Prihartono 2021 research, namely, quality of MSME performance product, durability of MSME products, conformance to MSME product specification, features of MSME products, reliability of MSME products, aesthetic of MSME product, perceived of MSME product quality, and serviceability of MSME products. Next, the theory of price as variable X2 by Kotler and Armstrong in 2018. Price is the sum of all values that consumers sacrifice to obtain the benefit of owning or using a product or service. There are 4 indicators to measure price in Prilano and Sudarso 2022 research, namely price affordability, suitability of price to MSME product quality, price competitiveness, and suitability of price to product benefits. And finally, the theory of service quality as variable X3 by Kotler and Keller in 2016. Service quality is the totality of the features and characteristics of a service that bear on its ability to satisfy stated or implied customer needs. There are 5 indicators to measure service quality in Cesariana et al.'s 2022 research, namely service reliability, service responsiveness, service insurance, service empathy, and service tangible. Previous research review. The first relevant research is from Mona Karina and Nunung Ekasari in 2023, with title The Influence of Product Quality, Service Quality, and Price on Purchasing Decision on TikTok Shop Online Store, which stated date Product quality and service quality partially have a positive but insignificant effect on purchasing decisions. Next, price partially has a positive and significant effect on purchasing decision. And the last, simultaneously, product quality, service quality, and price have a positive and significant effect on purchasing decision. The second relevant research is from Swesti Mahardini, Ida Mudafia Ibrahim, and Apri Chwansari Wendy in 2023 with title Product Quality, Price, and Service Quality on Purchasing Decision on Tokopedia in DKI Jakarta area, which stated that first, product quality and service quality have a positive and significant effect on purchasing decision, but price does not have a significant effect on purchasing decision. Next, framework and hypothesis. Based on the framework, the research hypotheses are formulated as follows. Hypothesis 1. It is hypothesized that MSME product quality influence purchasing decision on social commerce application. Hypothesis 2. It is hypothesized that price influence purchasing decision on social commerce application. Hypothesis 3. It is hypothesized that service quality influence purchasing decision on social commerce application. Hypothesis 4. It is hypothesized that MSME product quality, price, and service quality influence purchasing decision on social commerce application. Next, Chapter 3. Research Method. Time, Place, and Research Design. The research was conducted from July to November 2024 and was carried out in Jakarta Special Region. Type of research. This research used a quantitative approach with a survey technique. The data source comes from primary data obtained from distributing questionnaires to research respondents and using descriptive statistical method to present data. Population and sample. The population of this research is TikTok Shop users from Generation Z with an age range of 12 to 27 years who reside in Jakarta Special Region with a sample size of 100 respondents. The sample size was obtained from calculating the Lemaitre formula to determine the sample size in a population that is not fixed and the number is unknown. The sampling technique used was non-probability sampling through a purposive sampling approach. Next, instrument development. In the development of the instrument, the research variables are operationally defined, which are explained as follows. First, the purchase decision as variable Y is the process of solving consumer problems that includes activities before, during, and after buying or using a product or service with the aim to fulfilling their needs and desires. Second, the MSME product quality as variable X1 is the level of excellence of the characteristic of an MSME product that is assessed through the form, size, benefits, and suitability of its function so that it can meet consumer needs. Third, the price as variable X2. Price is the amount of money sacrificed by consumer to obtain the benefits of owning or using a product or service. And fourth, the service quality as variable X3. Service quality is the level of service excellence that is assessed by comparing the ability of the total features of the application or seller service that is expected with the service that is actually felt by consumer. Next, data analysis technique. The data is analyzed using a data analysis technique in the form of multiple linear regression with the help of SPSS version 25 software. Data analysis involves several stages, namely, the first step is to conduct descriptive statistical analysis to provide a general overview of the data. Next, instrument test is carried out consisting of validity test and reliability test. Then, continue with the prerequisite test analysis, which consists of normality test and linearity test. Then, the classical assumption test is carried out, which consists of multicollinearity test and heteroscedasticity test. After that, using multiple linear regression tests. And finally, hypothesis test is carried out consisting of t-test, f-test, and coefficient of determination test. Chapter 4. Result and discussion. Description of respondent profile data. Based on gender, the research results show that there are more female respondents than male respondents. This is because most women prefer online shopping, which is considered to have more attractive promotion, is practical, and is quick in choosing items such as fashion, women bags, women shoes, and beauty products. So they don't have to waste a lot of time shopping at stores. Based on age, the research results show that the majority of respondents are aged 18 to 22 years old. Based on domicile, the research results show that more respondents are domiciled in US Jakarta. Based on monthly income, the research results show that more respondents have a monthly income of less than 1 million rupiah. This is because the criteria of respondents in this research are a group of Generation Z individuals who are generally composed of those who have just started working and or are studying at university, so that income they receive tends to be still small. Based on the TikTok Shop users, the research results show that all respondents in this research are users of the TikTok Shop applications. Based on having made purchase on the TikTok Shop, the research results show that all respondents in this research have made purchases on TikTok Shop applications. Based on the shopping frequency on TikTok Shop, the research results show that the majority of respondents have shopped more than 3 times on TikTok Shop. Instrument test result. The validity test result using the person correlation product moment technique. Based on the result of the validity test on the variable of purchasing decision, MSME product quality, price and service quality, it shows that all R count value are greater than R table and all significance value are less than 0.05. So, the research instrument is declared valid. Reliability test result using the Cronbach-Alpha technique. Based on the result of the reliability test on the variable of purchasing decision, MSME product quality, price and service quality, it shows that all Cronbach-Alpha values are greater than 0.70. So, the research instrument is declared reliable. Next, result of prerequisite analysis. Normality test result. Based on the result of the normality test using the Kolmogorov-Smirnov method, the significance value is 0.193 greater than 0.05. Therefore, the regression model is considered to be normally distributed. Based on the result of the normality test using the probability plot method, the data points follow the diagonal line and do not spread far from the diagonal line. Therefore, the regression model is considered to be normally distributed. Linearity test result. Based on the result of the linearity test, the significance value of linearity for each independent variable towards the dependent variable is less than 0.05, and the significance value of deviation from linearity is greater than 0.05. Therefore, each independent variable is stated to have a linear relationship with the dependent variable. Next, classical assumption test result. Multicollinearity test result. Based on the result of the multicollinearity test, the tolerance value of all independent variables is greater than 0.10, and the VIF value is less than 10.00. Therefore, it is stated that there is no multicollinearity problem among the independent variables. Next, heteroskedasticity test result. Based on the result of the heteroskedasticity test using the Glasser method, the significance value of all independent variables is greater than 0.05. Therefore, the regression model is stated to have no heteroskedasticity problem. Based on the result of the heteroskedasticity test using the scatter plot method, the data points are scattered above and below 0, are irregular, and do not form a clear pattern. Therefore, the regression model is stated to have no heteroskedasticity problem. Result of multiple linear regression test. Based on the result of the multiple linear regression test, the following values are shown. First, based on the regression equation, the constant value is minus 6.113. This means that if the MSME product quality, price, and service quality are 0, it will decrease the purchasing decision on social commerce application by minus 6.113. Based on regression coefficient of MSME product quality variable, the value is 0.231. This means that if the MSME product quality increases by 1%, the purchasing decision on social commerce application will increase by 0.231 or 23.1%. Based on the regression coefficient of the price variable, the value is 0.728. This means that if the price increase by 1%, the purchasing decision on social commerce application will increase by 0.728 or 72.8%. Based on the regression coefficient of the service quality variable, the value is 0.331. This means that if the service quality increases by 1%, the purchasing decision on social commerce application will increase by 0.331 or 33.1%. Hypothesis test result. T-test result. Based on the result of T-test, the following values are shown. First, the calculated T-value for the MSME product quality variable is 3.920 is greater than the T-table value is 1.984 and the significance value of 0.00 is less than 0.05. This means that there is a positive and significant influence of MSME product quality on purchasing decision on social commerce application. Therefore, hypothesis 1 is accepted and hypothesis 0 is rejected. Next, the calculated T-value for the price variable is 4.326 is greater than the T-table value is 1.984 and the significance value of 0.000 is less than 0.05. This means that there is a positive and significant influence of price on purchasing decision on social commerce. Therefore, hypothesis 2 is accepted and hypothesis 0 is rejected. The calculated T-value for the service quality variable is 2.622 is greater than the T-table value is 1.984 and the significance value of 0.010 is less than 0.05. This means that there is a positive and significant influence of service quality on purchase decision on social commerce application. Therefore, hypothesis 3 is accepted and hypothesis 0 is rejected. Next, F-test result. Based on the result of the F-test, the calculated F value is 86.474 greater than the F-table value is 2.70 and the significance value of 0.000 is less than 0.05. This means that MSME product quality, price, and service quality together or simultaneous have a positive and significant influence on purchasing decision on social commerce application. Therefore, hypothesis 4 is accepted and hypothesis 0 is rejected. Coefficient of determination test result. Based on the result of the coefficient of determination test, the R-square value is 0.730. This means that the variables of MSME product quality, price, and service quality together or simultaneous have the ability to explain 73% of the purchasing decision variable, while the remaining 27% is influenced by variables that are not examined in this research. Discussion. The influence of MSME product quality on purchasing decision on social commerce application. The research results show that MSME product quality has a positive and significant influence on purchasing decision on social commerce application. This means that the better the quality of MSME product, the more it increases purchasing decision on social commerce application. The influence of price on purchasing decision on social commerce application. The research results show that the price has a positive and significant influence on purchasing decision on social commerce application. This means that the more affordable the price, the more it increases purchasing decision on social commerce application. Next, the influence of service quality on purchasing decision on social commerce application. The research results show that service quality has a positive and significant influence on purchasing decision on social commerce application. This means that the better the service quality, the more it increases purchasing decision on social commerce application. And the last, the influence of MSME product quality, price, and service quality on purchasing decision on social commerce application. The research results show that MSME product quality, price, and service quality together or simultaneous have a positive and significant influence on purchasing decision on social commerce application. This means that the better the quality of MSME product, the more affordable the price, and the better the service quality, the more it increases purchasing decision on social commerce application. Chapter 5. Closure. Conclusion and recommendation for future researchers. Conclusion. Based on the research result and discussion, the following conclusion can be drawn. First, MSME product quality, price, and service quality partially and simultaneously have a positive and significant influence on purchasing decision on social commerce application. The price variable has the greatest influence on purchasing decision on social commerce application compared to other independent variables. Recommendation for future researchers. Based on the limitation of this research, the researchers provide several recommendations for future researchers. Namely, it is suggested to add research variables that were not examined in this research. Expand the sample size. Use research subject from other social commerce application. Expand the population reach and use other research methods. That concludes my presentation. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.